Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to prepare this easy and delicious cabbage salad. This is a very idea I came out with. It's just a light dinner for two people I'm preparing right now. I'm gonna add some shredded cabbage, grated carrot, yeah. This is just for two people, two of us, but we're eating only salad today. Yeah, that's why I'm using a little bit more of the regular version. Some dried cranberries here, and our dressing will be just yogurt, olive oil, vinegar, salt, and pepper, and that's it. And of course, yogurt. Yeah, this is the main ingredient for our dressing. We're gonna add some ground pepper, just as much as you like, some salt as well, yeah, and some extra virgin olive oil. Remember, this is a fresh salad. Extra virgin olive oil, they just match perfectly, and some apple vinegar. Yeah, you add a little bit more, and of course you can always correct. I'm using here 200 milligrams of Greek yogurt around. Yeah, I'm gonna add at the end I'm gonna add it all. Yeah, just everything. Yeah, I'm working with my gloves, so I will mix all together by hand, and we're just so far done. Now I'm gonna plate it, and while plating I will add some blueberries on top of it. Just our fresh blueberries. They will be just a touch for the final looking of your salad. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more of cabbage. Yes, just because I add the whole yogurt, so a little bit of cabbage will be nice, so that it does get too saucy. Yeah, just to say it like that. Yeah, so we are gonna ready to plate it. Look, we got our salad. Just like that. As I'm working with gloves, it's making it very easy. And now on top of it I will add some chopped parsley, some dried cranberries, and the fresh blueberries I told you about. So just like that. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe to the channel, hit that thumb up button, and enjoy the journey, and see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.
Yeah.